Hello guys! Welcome to the first chapter of the course Facebook Sales Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to selling on Facebook. Let's get started. Facebook is one of the most widely used social media platforms by marketers, buyers, and sellers. There are more than 450 million people who access their Facebook accounts to look for things that are up for sale so that they can buy them for a cheaper price. More people are browsing Facebook using their mobile devices. You have a huge target market who can be interested in the products that you are selling. Your target audiences can discover your products and purchase them from your brand. E-commerce on Facebook is rising, and more marketers are promoting their products and services on the platform. If you have an e-commerce website, it is possible to sync the site to your Facebook shop. It can allow you to monitor and update the inventory of your products. Selling on Facebook is free and easy. You just need to have an account on Facebook and know where the best places are to sell your products and attract buyers. You can also sell products using your Facebook profile, and your friends can view the item and they can decide to purchase it since they know you. But it can be more professional to use a Facebook page to showcase and promote your products. You can create your business page where you can promote your products. You can use your personal Facebook profile to create a Facebook business page to sell your products and services. It can be easy to grow your followers on your Facebook page and showcase your brand and products to your potential customers. As people discover your Facebook page, they can view the products in your Facebook page, and if they like your products, they can decide to buy from you. Well-optimized Facebook business pages with thousands of followers and recommendations from their customers can serve as a proof of a legit and authentic business. Selling online can be risky for people to do transactions and purchase items that they would like to buy. Facebook pages with relevant content can serve as an official website to convince your potential buyers to trust your business, especially if you share successful transactions with your customers. Once you have created a business page, you can set up a Facebook page shop. It can allow you to display your products, showing the price of each product, and add stunning media that will entice your viewers to check out your products. You can also create and grow your niche community. Link your group to your Facebook page to attract your followers so that your followers can join your group. It can allow you to gather individuals who are interested in your niche. Facebook users can discuss topics on a personal level inside groups. They are more likely to purchase products from you as you promote your products inside groups. You can also join buy and sell groups that are relevant to your niche and sell your products. Facebook also has a feature called Marketplace. It allows people to discover items that they are interested in. People can use Marketplace to search for things that they can use for their everyday lives or find items that they are collecting. People can discover items for sale near their area. Facebook Marketplace is an e-commerce section of Facebook. People can view the profile of the Facebook user who posted the items for sale. The buyers who can discover your products can be sure that they will be dealing with a person who can be trusted. Before they push through the transaction, people can view the seller's profile, such as the profile photo, year joined in Facebook, their location, and the number of friends, and if they have an e-commerce rating. By viewing the seller's details, such as how long they have joined Facebook, potential buyers can stay away from accounts that were recently created, which has the possibility to be used for spamming people. Now that you know about introduction to selling on Facebook, we can now proceed to the next topic, the benefits of selling on Facebook. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.